Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, cannot type in Windows 10 search bar. Press Windows and X keys. Click Command Prompt Admin. Click Yes to continue. Type PowerShell space minus execution policy space unrestricted. Copy first command from description and paste it into command window. Type exit from PowerShell. Type exit from command prompt. Second method is press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys. Click File, Run New Task. Check Create this task with administrative privileges. Type PowerShell. Click OK. Copy second command from description and paste it. Type exit, exit from PowerShell command window. Restart Windows. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.